paggawa.
Ito ba? Ganyan ba? Yan, tama yan. Ito yung bahay ni Charmaine. Tutulungan mo si ate. What? Kailangan ganyan din ng bahay mo.
Kulit na.
Asan yung bahay? Ito, dito.
Buhangin ko.
Kailangan.
It's amazing, amazing, amazing. Oh. Yan pa lang nagagawa. Wala pa yung bahay. Let's take a look. Every details. Ooh. So much beautiful. Busy si ate. Buti na lang dumating na yun. This is the third floor house. Yeah. Third floor. The attic. Yes. Is that here and there?
Yeah. Ito yung pinaka-sala.
Sala. And then there is CR there. Yeah.
Where's the no kitchen? Oy! Ay, sino yan?
This is
Hi.
bedroom.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a bedroom.
And then there's an attic.
There's an attic.
Sinaya.
Yeah, there's an attic. Yeah.
Wow, nakikita ko.
Yeah. There's an attic. And this is the first floor. This is the kitchen. Yes, a kitchen. And then...
Dito sinaya sa sa sulok dito siya.
Ayaw ko nga.
What is
Yan
this?
sa daga.
What is the...
Are you adaga na
Ay,
yan?
bungi! Ay, bungi!
Yan. And then there's
Ay, ganda na.
sala set because hindi pa siya tapos.
Ang ganda ng ano,
Then
windows.
the windows there. Yeah.
Wow, ang
the
ganda.
window.
Ang ganda. Marais yung...
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, ang ganda.
Yeah. This is first floor.
It's second
And then
floor.
the second floor.
That's where I'm gonna be
And
sleeping.
then the attic.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's the third floor.
Here, there's the room of Naya. Because she's mouse.
The basement is in the... Nasaan nga yung basement?
Doon.
Yung pinaka-ano.
Ayun yung basement.
Hindi yung pinaka-ano niya. Di ba nandun sa kaklasmate mo?
Walang basement.
Hindi yung pinaka-ano niya, yung floor. Yung base niya. So yung base niya, hindi mo pa nakita. Pag nakita yun, bonggang-bonggang.
Nakita mo yung floor
Kasi
plan.
ididikit na lang yun doon, di ba, sa school.
Yeah.
The floor plan have swimming pool.
Yeah.
Wow, ang
May swimming
ganda.
pool. Hey!
Kaya, do you want that?
Alam mo na, sure.
Townhouse.
If I need a fly.
So, you throw.
Yan. And then, yan. Ito, ilalagyan dito ng ano, solar. Solar.
So there's
Ito
the
yung...
town. For the telescope.
Ayan o, tingnan mo, merong ano, hagdan.
Ladder. There's
Para
a
kapag kaakyat siya sa attic, meron siya ditong pangtambayan.
stargaze.
Tapos dito naman yung sa likod.
Ang ganda.
Yan.
More voice
May
ganda.
ano dito.
Yan.
Wow. And then you can make so many like this at Charmaine.
Bili-bili na po. Bili-bili na po.
Dito may mga halaman pa yan dyan. Ganyan. So yan yung likod.
Bili na po.
Ito yung
Do you
gilid.
buy that?
Ay, ano ba?
Yan. Yan talaga.
Talaga.
Yung upuan, pwedeng ano yun. Pwede rin. Tanggalin